I have been set a 7-day video challenge by ChatGPT of all things. I won't get into the reasons why, but I'm doing a 7-day video challenge to help me become more confident with creating pre-recorded video content. So I'm a live video strategist and coach, and I have no issues with actually going live and being able to speak on my topic without fumbling through my words, because with live stream there is no pressure to be perfect, but my ability to flow creatively on camera seems to disappear whenever I actually post video content. I have to take 10 million takes, get really stressed out in preparation for the actual recording, and I find that I lose myself. That's the most important thing. I actually lose my personality, and I don't want to do that. And I think what's happened, in fact, I know what has happened, it has actually held me back in terms of growing my YouTube channel. I've been doing a lot, posting a lot of content, but my content avoids video. So I'll do short form video content, which is a no-brainer. It's 30 seconds, it's quick, less than a minute. I'll do live streams because that's my skill set, that's my jam. And I post inside my community tab. But video on demand, pre-recorded, I avoid it. So I'm doing the 7-day challenge. This is day 1. Am I gonna post this or not? I don't know, I'm letting all my secrets out, darlings. I think I am gonna post this for the accountability because I have to be about the things that I talk about. I can't tell my clients, you need to show up, you need to get past your own fears and objections, you need to focus on the bigger picture, if I'm not doing that myself, if I'm not willing to be uncomfortable. So this is why I'm here. Anyway, for day 1, it's a quick hello to introduce myself, say hello. This is a one-take video. Hi, my name is Janine. I'm a live video strategist and coach, the founder of my business and brand, Boss It Live. And what I do is help you confidently use live video to attract your ideal clients, build an engaged community that leads to buyers. You want your followers, your community to become your loyal tribe of superfans, and live video helps you to accelerate the know, love, and trust. So that's what I essentially do. I've been doing this officially as a business owner since 2017, but I've been live streaming for nearly a decade. This year marks 10 years since Janine first picked up her mobile device and said, hello, hello, twirling my earring around 10 million times. Anyway, the point is that's my hello. Oh, and also ChatGPT told me that I have to tell you a fun fact about myself. What is a fun fact about me? I'm going to give the most fun fact, is it? I don't know. But if you didn't know, you probably do know, but if you didn't know, I am a retired competing cheerleader, senior cheerleader. I'm going on like I did it. I did 1 season, but I competed in my category. I became a cheerleader. I trained for a year, competed, and in both of the competitions I took part in, we won in our category. So I was a base in my team, and I absolutely loved it. It challenged the heck out of me, but it showed me that on the other side of discomfort, God wants to do so much. So here I am. So this is me for day 1. I will be back again tomorrow for day 2, another recorded piece of content with no cuts and edits. Guys, let me know how I did. How did I present? Was it okay? And I need to do this because my mindset needs to shift towards pre-recorded content because I want to grow my YouTube channel this year. I want to get to the next benchmark, a minimum of 3,000 subscribers. So I'm about 800 plus away, averaging at about 90 or so subscribers a month. So I want to show up and see what we do this year. And who knows, maybe I'll go beyond that. See, that's my cue to stop talking now. All right, I'm gonna go now. Thank you very much to those of you that have watched this video. Great stuff, isn't it? God blimey. Have a good day. I'll be back for day 2 tomorrow.